Come test drive this 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.